Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add an EMA in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to Insert. Click on it, go to Indicators, and click on Moving Average, this one. Now, we have here the period. You can choose any period you want. You can use, for example, 250 or 20 or anything. So for me, I will keep it on 200. And we have here method. It's on simple. Click on it and choose this one, exponential. Okay, you have to choose this one. You have here the color. You can change it if you want. So let's choose, for example, yellow. And we have here the width of the line. So let's choose, for example, this one. Then click on OK. And this is the EMA moving average. As you can see, the exponential moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.